This video is for educational purposes only, specifically for learning English and not intended to represent them.
Hey there, English learners. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever frozen mid-sentence because you weren't sure if it was has or have? Or maybe you stayed silent in a conversation, not because you didn't have something to say, but because you were scared of making a grammar mistake. If that sounds like you, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not wrong for feeling that way. But here's a bold truth that no one tells you. Grammar is important, but it's not everything. Let's break this myth right now. Yes, grammar is the skeleton of the language, but fluency, confidence, and connection, they are the heart and soul. Think about babies. Do they know grammar rules when they start talking? Of course not, but they communicate, they express, they connect. And that's exactly what English is for. You don't learn it to be perfect, you learn it to be understood. Here's what I've noticed. Most learners are waiting to be grammar perfect before they speak. That's like trying to learn how to swim by reading a manual, but never jumping into the water. And you know what? Native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time. They mix tenses, they use slang, they shorten things. And guess what? They're still fluent. Fluency isn't about saying everything right. It's about saying everything clearly. It's about speaking without fear. So here's my message for you today. Stop chasing perfection. Start chasing connection. Talk to people, make mistakes, laugh at yourself, and then try again. Because every time you speak, even with broken grammar, you're building your fluency. And with practice, grammar will come naturally, just like riding a bicycle. So don't wait. Speak up, because the world needs your voice, not your grammar score. If this message hit home for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, drop a comment below telling me what's stopping you from speaking English today. Let's break those walls together.